Hey guys, Michael here. We're just at the Mind Performance Health Personal Training Studio with my team, and we're about to get into our community Christmas workout event with our clients, our community, just as appreciation. So I hope you enjoy the workout. I hope you enjoy the highlights as we give back to our community and wrap up 2024. Let's get after it.
Tune up the 808 baseline check. They stay complacent, me, I'm a threat. Big moves only how I connect. Living it large, no need to reflect. Came from the bottom, now I'm on deck. They get stuck while I progress. Can tell where it's going, I've seen this, I know all your steps. And we over that, tell me what's next.
12's not good enough. I vote 20 for Jake. He's fit enough. That's it. 2 more. Down, down, more. And 1 more. Go. Down, hard. Come on. Elbows in a bit more to your body. Down, open. Done, dude. Well done. Get into your station. Let's work.
I got it. Kick the door down, we are not knocking. You a dollar bill up in my pocket. I can see the future and it's looking like profit. So tune up the 808 baseline check. They stay complacent, me, I'm a threat. Big moves only how I connect. Living it large, no need to reflect. Came from the bottom, now I'm on deck. They get stuck while I progress. Can tell where it's going, I see this, I know all your steps. Now we over that, tell me what's next.
Merry Christmas.